long is that? Let's do easy eat today. Today I call easy eat my noodle. Noodle. Oh, that's a lot of noodle. Bean sprout. Not bean sprout, carrot. Jalapeno. Lettuce. Mint and cilantro. Some salmons. Some spam. Salmon. And sweet sauce, peanut sweet sauce. Actually, it's not so sweet, it's super duper spicy. Okay, you mix. All this is chili. Mix. Okay, let's eat. So good. Wow, very good. Coconut. This is the stuff left over from spring roll. No more shrimp. So good. Thank you. Bye-bye. Giặt công phu. Phần siêu. Cú cơm hiện là sợ tin nhầm. Very delicious, very spicy. Oh yeah. Cả phần xíu. Thank you, bye bye.